going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, as you can tell by the title above, I'm going to be doing my new wheel setup, the reveal of my new wheels. I got the rims right here, and I'm actually going to go pick up the tires from the shop right now and put them on. But if you guys didn't know, I've actually been rocking a 19-inch rim for quite some time now. It's actually a 265 wide, 35, 19. So you guys know that second gear, even third gear on some cold nights don't really hook up too nice, and these tires are done for anyways. So I don't know if I'm spoiling it, but I dropped to a smaller rim size with the rims over here, and I got them in this box right now. So I'm gonna open this box up for you guys and show you the new rims we got. Not big boys, smaller boys. Ooh. Alright guys, so we just got to the shop. Got the rims inside here. Here we go. Taking the soft part off. Moment of truth. So now that you guys see them, I actually went with the Autohan. I can't remember exactly what the wheel spec is right now off my head, but it's like the dish look with the Y spoke to go with my front rims, how I have the Y spoke. I went kind of the same thing. And they have these cool bolts around. I don't know how I feel about the gold. I gotta see the gold on the car. But yeah, I went with the Autohans. Really sick rim, guys. I think it's gonna look really good on the car. So we're here at the shop now. Yeah, so now that compressor just turned off, so you guys can see them, but we're here at the shop right now. There's German 2J working. Oh yeah, quick break to look at this M3. Ooh, carbon. Ooh, yo, that's aggressive. Ooh, guys, nice little E92 M3 Erwin's working on. This crazy carbon front lift. That looks sick on the M3. Even on a 335 that looks sick, but you'd have to get the M3 bumper. The white quad tip, active exhaust, Valvetronic. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the new wheels. Here. Alright guys, here is the wheels. I ended up going with the NTO1s, 275, 35, 18. If you guys can see, NTO1s. So these are the Nittos. I've heard a lot of good reviews on them. They're not just a good like straight line tire, they're actually a really good track tire. And apparently they got some good life on them. So it's my first time testing out an R compound tire at all. So it's gonna be cool to see how these hook up on the road. Hopefully we can put the power down and grip up second now.
Compromise between the NT555Rs and the NTO5
yeah.
Rs. So it's the NTO1, right?
Yeah.
So it's not a radial design, it's a bias ply, so it's going to be a little bit better for the track.
Alright guys, so we're back in my house. We just got the wheels balanced, got the tires on. It looks so good. Here's one tire next to the car. that looks meaty. I really like how it looks, guys. I was a little worried if it was gonna look weird with the matchup, but like kind of went with the Y spoke. So it kind of looks good with the front, match the 19 in the front, and then drop it to the 18 in the back with, it's an 18 outer lip, 17 inner, so it realistically still looks like a 17 inch, especially with that big meaty tire on there. I'm so happy I went with the NTO ones, guys. So the size I went with, can it say it on there? Yeah, it says it right there. So I went 275, 35, R18, NTO1. And the reason I went with the NTO1, guys, is because I heard that it's not just a great straight line tire, it's also a really great track tire. So if I could get the best of both worlds with the straight line on the drag strip, and when I want to bring it to the track a couple times this season, because you guys know I like to hit the track, it's going to handle phenomenal. So I'm really excited to test out these tires, especially it's my first R compound tire, as I was telling you. So I'm really excited to see how they're going to grip up on the track and on the street. So just to recap on the setup I went with the Autohan DS06. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they're the DS06s. They're an 18-inch rim. I wrapped them in the NTO1 275 35 18s. So it should be a really nice setup, should hook very well. So I'm really excited to get these guys, these big boys on there. Man, I can't stop looking at that. Oh, personal opinion, guys, but I love it. Ooh, it looks so good. Just that. Let's show you guys. A lot bigger tire. Hopefully I don't rub. I'm really hoping I don't rub, but it should be good. I didn't roll the fenders or anything, but a lot of people say they fit 275s in there. And I'm gonna get the car, I'm gonna jack it up. I'm actually gonna swap out the rims right now, and then I'm gonna take it for a little drive, show you guys what it looks like on the road. Weather's pretty bad right now, but when the sun comes out, I'll get some footage for you guys. So excited. Let's get these bad boys on there.
What do you want to tell them? How do you feel about this?
Alright guys, so you're going to make sure you want a 17 socket on the extension with the breaker bar. And when you get the last bolt off, you might want to ask your buddy for a hand, but if he doesn't want to help you, you just want to muscle it. So you're just going to...
Yep, and he.
So that's the 19, and then we're gonna put on the new Schlicky right now. So we just gotta double check. I don't think there's a specific
There's
way
not.
to go on, right? As long as this is in the inside, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's always going to be on the inside.
Unless you
Take
put it
the
on
sticker
back.
off.
No, I just do a fat burnout
No.
after.
Take the sticker off. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, take that off too. It's going to make noise.
Bro, you're gonna make noise. The only one making noise right now is German 2J.
Okay, I'll shut up. Put these from skinny things on.
Usually you should use a torque wrench, guys, but here in G's garage, this is the torque wrench.
Jeez, looks like he's got a movie back.
How does that look?
Yeah. Jeez, looks so nice.
Woo!
17 back there.
It actually doesn't look too weird. I like it.
The Y spoke does it.
Oh, that looks sick. I'm just gonna torque them in, and then we'll do a quick time lapse to get the other one in, and then take it outside in the sun because the sun's out now, and show you guys what this looks like. Whoever followed me on Instagram, or even just keeping up with the videos, you guys know I desperately needed tires, but this is what they were looking like. Honestly, I think they still had a couple more seasons left in them. Saw I got the rims on, the add-ons, and the NTO ones are on the car. As you guys can see, looks extra meaty. I really like how it came out, and I think it's gonna hook up really well. So probably gonna go get some clips later. If it doesn't rain, probably go get some clips later of us driving it and seeing how it hooks, if I could hook second gear. But I'm gonna give you guys a little spoiler for next week's videos. Not gonna say too much, but I'm just gonna show you that. Boys, we got some sick videos coming soon from German 2J and me. We're gonna be cranking up the cars very shortly, so if you're not subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button and drop a like, comment. It's been Dujo, I'm out, peace.
It's gonna rain actually today. Right now? 'Cause I just washed my